Do you want to add animated text to Instagram story? You can add text effect in an Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add animated text in an Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on your story at the top left of the screen or swipe right from your feed to open the story camera. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to use as your animated text background. Once the content is added, tap on the text icon at the top of the screen. Now, type the text you want to add. After typing, you can change the text style under the font icon. You can also change the font color by tapping on the color palette to customize. Now, look for the Animate button and tap on it. You will see different animated text effects appear. Select the animation style you like. If needed, you can also add text effects by tapping on the text effect icon. After adding the animated text, drag it to position it anywhere on your story. You can also combine animated text with stickers or music to make your story more engaging. When your story is ready, tap on your story or close friends to share it.